Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. This is the censored faucet. That's the sensor right there. You should just, when you washing your hands, you know how you at the commercial buildings, you wash your hands and the sensor come on. Look like the sensor wire right here. Don't know the depth of this right now, but I'll tell y'all that in a little bit. All right, I installed automatic faucet before in my kitchen, so they gave us water lines, 3 lines. And here goes the box. But this box goes right there on your underneath of your cabinet. Another valve right here. Oh, this is the control when the water come out. Okay. So you got hot, cold is blue, hot is red. Let's open this up real quick. This is a pretty decent price on Amazon. As usual, link will be in the description. Different from the one in my kitchen, but this is battery powered, and also you can hook it up to your outlet. That way you will have constant power. You don't have to rely on going to the store and getting batteries. But depending on the batteries you get, the batteries may last you a long time. All right. So I know you got 3 lines. One goes from here to here, and then the hot water and cold water. You got the washer. That's your washer right there, waterproof seal. So if you get water on your counter, no water go back. So from what it looks like, you got about 2 inches to play with. Okay. You can't do the whole 2 inches depending on the size of, if you got granite. Usually granite is about what, 1.5 inches or 1 inch. So me, I'm putting it on one of the cheap bathroom vanities, and they are thin. So I'm gonna have a lot of room to screw back on. But if you have granite, your granite might be 1.5 inches maybe. So you will have a 1/2 inch to screw on. Okay, so just showing y'all that, because I know some people get mad when they buy these things. They say, oh, it didn't fit, you know, the granite was too thick. And you know, I'll show y'all this after I'm done hooking it up. This faucet is awesome. Now the brand of this faucet is a brand that I can't pronounce. It's YCCUZA. Okay, YCCUZA. It don't even really matter if it's off brand at this point in time of our lives, because we actually like the style of it. Now y'all know I am a matte black person. That's just what I like. It's a nice good feel finish. $60, you guys, $60. This is awesome. And you can actually buy it used for like, I think like $40. Right now I can even put my hands right there and it stops. As long as your hand's there, it should keep going. But once you take your hands off, it stops. All right, now we don't come to the basement that much, so this thing haven't really been used to its maximum potential, so I can tell y'all if the battery life and all that stuff lasts long enough. So you will need 4 AA batteries, which is not included, okay? Or the best thing about this, you can plug it into a 110 volt outlet. That is awesome. I don't know why all the sensor faucets don't have that feature, because the kitchen faucet would be awesome, because you know, under your kitchen, if you have your dishwasher is connected to your outlet, and maybe your garbage disposal is connected to the outlet or whatever, you can also connect this to an outlet. So what we're going to do in the future, we are going to either tap into this outlet and go down to the bottom of the sink, or we'll tap into another wire and come down to the bottom of the sink. That way I don't have to waste batteries. Okay, it's either going to be one or the other. You're going to waste electricity or you're going to waste batteries, but I might just leave it as batteries. Anyways, let's get to the review. All right, you guys, so let's get into the measurement. From one end to the other, we have 6 1/4. And I know that's important to people because like my counter upstairs and my master, the holes I think are 8 inches apart from each other. Yeah, I think the hole, if I would have something like this upstairs in my master bathroom, I will need at least 8 inches of base right here. All right, you guys, and the width of this is look like 2.5. Now we're going into the fun part, and I will like a light for this, so let me give y'all some light real quick. All right, you guys, so this faucet did come with the water lines. It actually comes with everything you need to assemble it. Now this is a temperature control. Awesome. So if you want warm water, you can set this up to be warm water. This is your temperature control right here. All right. That is your temperature control. I think it even said on there which way will be more warm, but you can actually just set the temperature. Just put your hand on top. If it comes out warm or if it comes out too hot, then yeah, you can set your temperature. So this is one of the major things that I love about this. All right, and this is your power box right here. You have water going through it. You have your battery right there. As a matter of fact, let me take it apart so y'all can see what it looks like. This is your water supply. So y'all see that's the water coming in. You will have to hook it up. All right, and it lets you know what side is hot and it lets you know what side is cold in the instructions. I think that I got the instructions box somewhere. I still got the instructions. Does it say hot, cold anywhere? No, I don't see it. It might be on the other side. And I think you could go by this because, see, that's as far as it turn right there. And then if you try to turn all the way this way, that's as far as it turn. And they give you these little yellow clips is to put on the nut right here, and you can twist it by hand. So these are pretty friendly and very smart. So whoever created this is awesome. And this is the sensor wire right here. Just hook that up. And the other cool thing here is your electrical cord right here. Now y'all see how far it comes out to the sink. Now here you go. Y'all see that? I'm gonna go ahead. Four and a half inches away. And my house has high water pressure, okay? 80 PSI. I don't know if y'all seen my old review when I was reviewing a PSI spigot, which I lost a long time ago. Might have to get another one. But my water lines, my water valves, I actually have them low, because if I have it all the way open, this thing vibrates. Like this thing go doosh, like doosh, doosh, like really hard. So I turned the nozzles on my valves down. And that's about it, you guys. If y'all like this review, leave a like so the video can travel through the YouTube algorithms and help other people out choose something cool for their house. This is awesome. People love it. A whole bunch of friends came over and said, man, they want something like this for their basement, or they want something like this for their hall bathroom, or even their regular bathrooms. People love sensor. They're tired of touching knobs. All right. So anyways, like, comment, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified on cool products that I got coming to the channel. Later.